So Safaricom has been given a go-ahead to launch a new money market fund. But you might be wondering, why launch a new fund if the company already had a money market fund? And now what happens to Mali and the investors? Allow me to break down to you what exactly is happening or what has been happening. My name is Susan Juguna, and today we are looking at Mali Money Market Fund and the new money market fund by Safaricom called Ziidi Money Market Fund. So kindly subscribe to my channel and also like the video so that it can help the algorithm push this video to the right people, especially those people who have a Mali Money Market Fund account or those people who would wish to open a new account. So on Wednesday, 27th November 2024, that is, Safaricom was given a go-ahead by Capital Market Authority to launch a new money market fund and called Ziidi Money Market Fund. So Safaricom will work in partnership with three fund managers, that is Standard Investment Bank, ALA Capital Limited, and Sanlam Investments East Africa Limited, and they will be managing this particular money market fund called Ziidi. I have to say, this is big. I think this will be a great blend to ensure professional management and diversified investment opportunities, and the fact that it will be operating in M-Pesa app. And if it's anything like Mali, it means there will be no charges to deposit and withdraw. It will be just like putting your money in an M-Shwari account, with the fact that you will be earning interest and good interest with this now money market fund, and I think this is massive. And just to make you understand how massive this is, let's look at Mali. And due to the ease of opening the account and also operating, and the fact that you are not charged to deposit and withdraw, and on top of that over 30 million people in Kenya use M-Pesa, Mali is one of the most subscribed money market fund here in Kenya, with 3 billion Kenya shillings in asset size under management as of this end of September 2024. So the question remains, what happens to all these investors fund? So if you watched this video where I talked about, or I reviewed, Ethical Money Market Fund, you remember I mentioned that Mali was created as a CMA sandbox project. It was designed to test low entry investment into money market fund, just to find out whether money market fund could open doors for everyday Kenyans with low investment such as 100 bob. And if you check the CMA fund managers licensee list, you will discover that you won't see Safaricom or M-Pesa as listed as a fund manager in this list. So who then owns, or who is the fund manager for Mali? Mali was owned by Safaricom, but the fund was and is still Genghis Capital Limited, under Genghis Capital Limited management. So it's the fund manager for Mali is Genghis Capital Limited. And according to the news in Daily Nation, Safaricom and Genghis had some dispute over the ownership of this fund. So according to this news, Genghis Capital claimed that it had introduced the product, now Mali Money Market Fund, and also sought approvals through the Capital Market Authority CMA sandbox. And this is what led to conflict over ownership of the product. And due to this ongoing dispute, Safaricom decided to launch a new money market fund called Ziidi, partnering with three additional managers, as we have mentioned earlier. And this new fund aims to target low-income earners and provide accessible, diversified investment option through the Safaricom or through M-Pesa application or platform. Yeah, and as we mentioned from the beginning, the fund manager for Mali was Genghis Capital, and it's not among the new fund managers for Ziidi Money Market Fund. Meaning, they might continue managing this fund. Genghis Capital might continue managing this fund. But one thing I can tell you, if you have invested in Mali, your money is not lost. Maybe they will merge this fund or the Mali Money Market Fund with the Genghis Capital Money Market Fund, or you will be directed on how to access Mali. For now, we wait for clarification from Safaricom on the way forward. Okay, and what I can tell you is to always remember to diversify your investments. Never put all your eggs in the same basket, so that in such cases you will still have that peace of mind, and be patient because you have a cushion will stand in place of the cash or the money that is in a particular place. And this is also accounts when the diversification also accounts to any other money that you have anywhere, even if it's a bank account, even if it's chama. You need to diversify. You never know what will happen to that chama. You never know when the systems will go down in a bank. You never know. So let's create a culture of diversification. So my people, what do you think of this new money market fund? Are you ready to jump in? We still don't know the dates it will be launched, but I can't wait to see the interest rates they will be offering. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and remember to stay informed and stay in the know. Bye for now.